Chuko, chalk. I write with chalk. Chuko de kakimasu. Benkyu, study. I study Japanese. Nihongo o benkyu shimasu. Renshu, practice. I practice writing. Renshu o shimasu. Oboeru, memorize. I memorize the vocabulary. Tango o oboemasu. Rikai, understanding. I understand the lesson. Jugyu o Rikai shimasu. Shingaku, advancement. I plan to advance to university. Daigaku ni Shingaku suru yotei desu. Satsugyu, graduation. I graduate this year. Kotoshi Sugyu shimasu. Nyugaku, entrance. I enter the school. Gako ni Nyugaku shimasu. Gaki, semester. The semester is long. Gaki wa nagai desu. Yasumi, break. I have a break. Yasumi o torimasu. Haukago, after school. I go home after school. Haukago ni ni keremasu. Eki, station. I go to the station. Eki ni ikemasu. Basu te, bus stop. The bus stop is near. Basu te wa Chicago desu. Kuku, airport. I go to the airport. Kuku ni ikemasu. Ginku, bank. I deposit money at the bank. Ginku de okani o azokemasu. Yubin Kyoku, post office. I send a letter. Yubin Kyoku de tegami o okurimasu. Byoin, hospital. I go to the hospital. Byoin ni ikemasu. Yakyoku, pharmacy. I buy medicine. Yakyoku de kurusi o kaimasu. Supa, supermarket. I shop at the supermarket. Supa de kaimono o shimasu. Konbini, convenience store. I buy snacks at the convenience store. Konbini de okashi o kaimasu. Restaurant, restaurant. I eat at the restaurant. Restaurant de tabimasu. Cafe, cafe. I drink coffee at the cafe. Cafe de kohi o namimasu. Koen, park. I play in the park. Koen de asabimasu. Toshokan, library. I read books at the library. Toshokan de hon o yamimasu. Gaku, school. I go to the school. Gaku ni ikemasu. Daigaku, university. I study at university. Daigaku de benkyu shimasu. Kaisha, company. I work at the company. Kaisha de hatarakimasu. Kauban, police box. I ask at the police box. Kauban de tazunemasu. Michi, road. The road is long. Michi wa nagai desu. Shingu, traffic light. The traffic light is red. Shingu ga akadesu. Kado, corner. Turn at the corner. Kado o magarimasu. Turi, street. The street is wide. Turi wa hiroi desu.